Automating. Automating basically is also focuses on tips and tricks of Excel, but with accounting and financial context. Means what? Means throughout the 2 days of learning, everything will be evolving around accounting and financial reporting, analysis, and knowledge. That's why one of the requirements here for you to attend this automating topic, you needed to have either accounting background or you have been doing accounting work for a while. Because otherwise the technical term in the accounting would have make it very difficult for you to learn. So with that, with Excel plus accounting, generally is slightly more difficult compared to the other topic called creative Excel. Yeah? And in these 2 days, besides the tips and tricks, you will learn a lot of ideas. You'll be given a lot of ideas like, oh, now I see how I can use Excel function to apply in different accounting, reporting, or analysis, or forecasting and budgeting. So that you will start to be able to think, how do you want to creatively use some of this function. And of course, in the 2 days program also, we will go into understand how to perform financial analysis like things like NPV, IRR, how do I do weighted average calculation? Am I doing it correctly? Am I doing it efficiently? There's one more module called solver. What we do is that we will go into an introduction of solver because solver is quite elaborate. What we do is we will spend some time using 2 examples to explore how can we use solver to help us. Basically, what is solver? Solver means it's like if I have more than one constraint, or if I wanted to achieve something to maximize or minimize, but I'm having constraint. So how do I use Excel to build a model to factor in all those constraints and get Excel to recommend what is my optimum point in achieving or in order to maximize or minimize certain outputs that I wanted. That's called solver. You will have a feel of how to do it in this program. Of course, basic charting, you'll learn how to do the basic chart, including things like chart like break-even chart, waterfall chart. Those are very useful for finance or accounting work, but generally we need to show or analyze the break-even as well as the waterfall. And also, you will have a small module on massaging data. How do I use pivot table, move around easily so that I can massage the data quickly. One word of caution about this program is like, you will notice we actually cover many aspects of finance and accounting work. That's why because of that, you will learn a lot of tips and tricks and ideas, but we will not be able to go very deep into every module. Means if you are here to learn, you want to go into very deep building the full-blown model, then this may not be the right class. You may want to go for our other topics such as financial forecasting, budgeting, data management, etc. But this will give you a good overview of different aspects of accounting and finance work using Excel. So if you wanted to have a feel of everything, or you are saying that I don't know where to start, I just want to know a bit of everything, then this will be a good course for you. And remember, you either need to have the accounting experience or accounting academic study before you can join this class.